In the video today, I'm unboxing the new Samsung Galaxy Watch 7. Let's get into it. Alright, let's get this box open. And we have the fabric band, which comes stock in the box. And I'll also show you the other band that I picked as a pre-order gift. This is the actual watch right here. This was the green option, which looks more silver, but on the website it said it was green, so I'll take it. We have our charging cable here. I'll definitely be purchasing some type of a stand for this. I love the little nightstands where you can charge your phone and your watch. But for now, we'll be using that. Now this is the other band that I purchased. This is the Sport Band, and this came free because I pre-ordered it. More excited about the Sport Band than I am the Fabric Band. Alright, our charger's plugged in. We're going to first put our watch on the charger because that's the first thing you do to get it to turn on. So I have the Sport Band. Alright, and our band is on. It did take a little work to get it on, but it is on. I do want to just point out, I love the little color accents that are around the buttons here. There's an orange around this button and white around this button. Looks really nice. And I'm going to hold down on the orange button to turn it on. There we go. And so on your phone, you'll want to go to the Samsung Wearable app. Now guess what? You don't have to have a Samsung phone to use this watch. You can actually use any Android phone as long as you download the Wearable app. So just keep that in mind. You don't have to have a Samsung, although I'm sure there's probably one or two features that are tied to Samsung. So, you know, you might lose out on like one or two features, but no biggie. Now this is pretty cool here. It automatically detected it on my Z Flip 5. I'm going to hit connect to get the pairing process started. And, you know, I did want to also point out something really cool. So Samsung, they offered a trade-in for the new Watch 7. And they basically let you trade in any smartwatch. And they gave you $100 credit, which was awesome. That made so much sense for me. And I was able to trade in one of my older Fitbits to upgrade. So I want to say I didn't spend over $200 for this new watch, which again, super excited about. It didn't cost a ton to be able to upgrade, and I'm just super excited for all the you know, new features and just being able to experience this new watch here. And just so you guys can see, the phone is doing the pairing right now, which usually it's going to pair, it's going to upgrade some software, and obviously there's a few other plugins that we'll need to download to get it to work with your phone, and that's it. Now you might notice, again, I mentioned that I have a Z Flip 5 here. I opted not to upgrade to the Z Flip 6 because I didn't see a big enough jump in the features. A lot of the changes were going to be software related and, you know, some minor changes to the hinge, but reality is it wasn't enough for me to pull the trigger. It was going to cost me around, I think, like $600, even with trading in my Z Flip 5, which I felt was just way too much money. So I've been very happy with my Z Flip 5, and I'm going to stick with this phone probably for another year, and we'll see what the Z Flip 7 holds. So anyway, we're just about done with our pairing and with our updating, which is great. And again, super excited to try out this watch here. Now, I will jump back in with the first impressions after my first couple of days with it and let you know how that's going. I will tell you guys, if you're on the fence about getting this watch, it's in your best interest to try to get one before the launch, because there are still some pre-order gifts that are available, and you always get the best deals right before the launch. So if you're considering getting one, my motto is get it, try it, and you always have a return window to send it back if it does end up working out for you. But I definitely plan on keeping this and using this for a while. So for you guys, if you're on the fence, I will have a link in the description and a link on screen for you guys to you know, see the full price breakdown if you were to upgrade. Again, if you have any smartwatch, just about, they will take it and give you a trade-in credit. and you can experience the new Samsung Galaxy Watch 7. So anyway, guys, if you found this video helpful, hit that like button down below. If you're not already a subscriber, hit that subscribe button and stay tuned for more videos. Take care, and as always, have a good one.